I'll be honest, I haven't switched servers in like
By the way,
3
bro,
games.
I knew this was happening. By the way, like when I started getting shot,
Yeah.
I was like, wait a second, and my health bar went down so fast. Bro, I was like, come on, yo, Turkey, can you stop shooting me? By the way, why do you gotta shoot me?
They're literally promoting them to encourage. You realize that this mother.
Regurgitating what Tyler said yesterday. People can't develop their own opinions for themselves, so they just say what other YouTubers say. Oh my God, Ninja said you're doing it, so he must be doing it. Shut the up, man. We don't have a choice. There's no choice in the matter. Either we die or we live. I choose to live. Let me just say what Ninja said, because I'm cool. Yeah, anime. Woo! Let me just say it. I'm not going to develop my own opinion. Daddy Ninja said you promoting them. What am I promoting them, bro? I have no choice. I hide my screen. I hide my barcode. I hide my timer. I hide my dick. I hide my cock.